But my niggas on the corner, the project blocks, rolling blunts, getting low to the knot. So you gotta watch your back, cause the law try and catch you with crack. It's blood, sweat, tears. But my niggas on the corner, them project blocks, rolling blunts, getting low to the knot. So you gotta watch your back, cause the law try and catch you with crack. Every day is a hustle, man, but stay humble. It's snakes in the jungle, so beware you stumble. Never snitch, not even the mumble. It's the street code, never leave the block until your package is sold. Hear the story that I'm trying to unfold. I rap too deep, 20s on the tire with the Glock on the seat. I don't snitch, not even a peep. You walk the beat while my niggas walk the street with a gun in they sleeve. Consignment, that's giving hella work to a G. You make 5, then you know that the connect get 3. You don't wanna have your face on the T, so when the work all gone, you better let them know immediately. Fucking with fast money and the bad snow bunny. Her lips on your dick, I don't find the shit funny, cuz tricking ain't the way to go. I know you getting dope, but stay away from my high price hoe. The flow, so ill like the bitches you fucking and fuck stunting. Cause selling Ready Rock ain't nothing. You can feel the damn pain in my bars, feel the strain in my heart, feel the longing in the dark when it's dark. I ain't trying to have a knock come kicking my door, I pitch raw, but I ain't gotta do it no more. The hood love me like I'm God Fisher. I ride with ya, even if them niggas got them K's out to get ya. See the big picture? Left is a rebel of the street, so I gotta keep a 9 in the scripture. Mix it with the devil in me, and you can see that I'm down to kick the coke in the rhymes like Bruce Lee. Blood, sweat, tears, blood, sweat, tears. But my niggas on the corner, them project blocks, rolling blunts, getting low from the knock. So you gotta watch your back, cause the law try and catch you with crack. Yo, ain't shit changed, we still living deranged. And fuck trying to go wild, cause I'm going insane. Explain to you niggas how I really live, show you what the business is, how they give work to elementary kids. In my city, we just trying to get by. I get high, cause my bitch steady telling me lies. She despised, cause I'm living off of ounces and pies. And my ties keep me wet, like it's gray in the sky. Are you brave enough to conquer your fears? Yo, where your courage at? Lefty been the king for some years, so where my courage at? Cause I'm down to ride for my peers, and you know what it is. Blood, sweat, and tears,